In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record split transactions in QuickBooks. This process is simple and efficient, perfect for keeping your financial records accurate and organized. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by signing in to your QuickBooks account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. These are crucial as you'll need to authenticate yourself before accessing your financial records. Once you've signed in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard. It's from here that you'll be able to access all the sections necessary for managing your accounts. Next, navigate towards the QuickBooks Online option. This step is essential as it takes you directly to the online interface of QuickBooks, where you can conduct all the necessary transactions. Once there, make sure you type in your credentials and simply hit continue. This action confirms your identity and ensures you're in the right place to start making your entries. Now let's head to the Transactions tab. This section is your gateway to managing all your banking activities within QuickBooks. Click on this tab and you'll find yourself in a section that displays all ongoing and past transactions tied to your accounts. Following the entry into the Transactions tab, click on Bank Transactions. This will bring up a detailed list of all the transactions associated with your bank accounts. Such detailed visibility allows you to pin down specific items you wish to modify or split. Once you've located your transaction, go ahead and click on it. You should see a lot of information populate the screen, providing a breakdown of what's involved in that particular transaction. It's at this stage where you'll begin to see how splitting can give clarity to shared expenses. Next, look for the option to create a rule. Clicking on this will allow you to apply specific conditions and actions to transactions that recur over time. This feature is incredibly useful for maintaining consistency across your financial records and saving time in the long run. Afterward, click on Add a Split. This function is where the magic happens. Adding a split lets you divide a single transaction into several different categories. For instance, if you've made a bulk purchase that covers multiple departments, splitting lets you attribute specific amounts to each category or department, maximizing accuracy in your records. And then you'll want to add the split ruling. Here, detail how you'd like the transaction split. Make sure you input accurate amounts and categories to reflect the true nature of each part of the transaction. This step is critical in ensuring that your financial statements accurately represent your business activities. Finally, don't forget to click on Save. This crucial step locks in all the changes you've made, ensuring that your transaction details are preserved correctly. There you have it, your split transaction is now recorded accurately in QuickBooks. Thank you for watching this tutorial on recording split transactions in QuickBooks. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. Keep practicing and you'll have a well organized set of records in no time.